Hi everyone, it's Tereese. Welcome back to Scrap Bin Saturday. It's hosted by Megan W. here on YouTube, and I'll have everybody's links down below. I'll have Megan's link and her email. If you want to join in, you're more than welcome to. Just contact Megan. So we are doing a using up our scraps, and this week I wanted to use up my bag of, well, I haven't used it up, but it's a good way to start dwindling it down. And I have an idea that I got from Andrea Stevers here on YouTube, and I'll also link her video down below as well, guys, because she did an awesome tutorial on how to put these art tiles together. And they're not new to the crafting community. A lot of people have been doing these. She just reminded me about them, and it's a lot of fun. And I've already used some of my scraps, and I've added it to chipboard, and I just cut them down. This is like a 2x2 size. This is a much rectangular shape that I want to use. So you could use these on a number of things and add them to your projects. So I'll be back with another video showing how I decorate them. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see ya. Okay, I'm back, guys. So here are my beginning of my tiles that I made. I stamped on the paper with some of my new Bow Bunny stamps that I bought at Tuesday Morning. I added some word stickers to them and some bling. Okay, and what I used for on top of them is I used some glossy accents, and I have this Crystal Effects from Stampin' Up! Long time ago. I just want to use it up because I just have too many of them. So here are my tiles, my art tiles that I made. There's that one. There's this one, and you can put these on cards or ATCs. They're just really fun, and I added some little bitty crystals to them. That one, and this is the one with the Crystal Effects. I couldn't get it on. The nozzle was broken or something, but it has that glossy look to them. So yeah, that is my project for this week's Scrap Bin Saturday. I'll have everybody's link down below, and I'll have Megan's link as well. And yeah, using up your scraps, that's what we're here. So thanks everyone for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.